हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हाउ आर यू? आई होप कि आप लोग स्वस्थ होंगे एंड वेलकम इन आरकेजी बायोलॉजी ट्यूटोरियल. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about the different functions of Golgi body. As we know, the morphological structure of Golgi body given by Camillo Golgi and the ultrastructure of Golgi body given by studied by Dalton, and that's why Golgi body also known as Dalton complex. Clear? And there are many terms, many names given to the Golgi body, like the lipochondria, Golgi complex, Golgi apparatus, dictyosome in case of plant cells, idiosomes, Baker's body, many more names given to the Golgi body. See the different functions of Golgi body. The first and most important function performed by Golgi body is the secretion and packaging of substance in the cytoplasm of the cell. सेल के साइटोप्लाज्म में जो मेन फंक्शन है गोल्गी बॉडी का वो है दैट इज सिक्रेशन एंड पैकेजिंग ऑफ मटेरियल. मटेरियल के सब्सटेंस के सेक्रेशन में और उसके पैकेजिंग में मेन रोल प्ले करता है गोल्गी बॉडी. Clear? See, like the polysaccharide, that is the complex type of carbohydrate secreted by the goblet cells, a type of mucus cell, and collagen, that is a protein, and it's secreted from the connective tissues, and protein in the form of enzymes, that is secreted by the acinar cells of pancreas. Clear? So acinar cells of pancreas also secretes the enzymes, that is the protein. So there are some examples of the secretory nature of Golgi body. Next function, secretion of hormones. Golgi body हार्मोन्स का भी सिक्रेशन करता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल thyroxine hormone, and that is secreted from the thyroid gland. Next function, it helps in vitellogenesis. Vitellogenesis means process of yolk formation. Yolk formation के process को हम vitellogenesis बोलते हैं. And this yolk provide nourishment, provide nutrient to the developing embryo. Developing embryo को nourishment provide करने का काम करता है yolk, and the yolk formation helped by the Golgi body by the process of vitellogenesis. Next, Golgi body helps in cell plate formation. Okay, during the cytokinesis के समय Golgi body cell plate के formation में help करता है. Cell plate means the precursor structure of the cell wall. Cell wall का precursor structure, that is the cell plate. And here the small pieces of the endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi body, as they are known as the phragmoplast are actually small pieces of Golgi body and endoplasmic reticulum. They aggregate and form the cell plate. Clear? During the cytokinesis. And these phragmoplast, that mean small pieces of Golgi body and endoplasmic reticulum, they also secretes the pectic material of the middle lamella and helps in cell wall formation. Cell wall के formation में, middle lamella के formation में जो pectic material होता है वो phragmoplast secretes करता है. Clear? So Golgi body also involved in cell wall and middle lamella formation. Golgi body secretes hemicellulose, which helps in cell wall formation, maturation of cell wall. Next function we see, Golgi body is the site for glycosylation. Glycosylation means, student, it is the process of biosynthesis of glycoprotein and glycolipid. That means with carbohydrate protein will bind, and with carbohydrate lipid will bind. So this is the process of biosynthesis of glycoprotein and glycolipid. Glycoprotein and glycolipid. Glycolipid, carbohydrate plus lipid. Clear? So that is the biosynthesis of glycolipid, and biosynthesis of glycoprotein, that is carbohydrate plus protein. So Golgi body also involved in this process of glycosylation. Okay, see here the carbohydrate is of oligोसाइक्राइड टाइप का कार्बोहाइड्रेट होता है. Clear? Next function, Golgi body also involved in synthesis of antibody, that is the immunoglobulins. Antibody को हम immunoglobulins भी बोलते हैं, और ये कहां से सिक्रेट्स होता है? फ्रॉम द प्लाज्मा बी सेल. क्लियर? प्लाज्मा बी सेल सिक्रेट द एंटीबॉडी, दैट इज द immunoglobulin. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट फंक्शन, हेल्प्स इन formation of primary lysosome. Golgi body also helps in formation of primary lysosome. Primary lysosome, that is small vesicle-like structures filled up with the inactive hydrolytic enzymes. Okay, so this is the primary lysosome, and the formation of primary lysosome helped by the Golgi body. Golgi body also helps in acrosome of sperm. Acrosome of sperm, as we know, sperm that is the male gamete, और इसके हेड रीजन में एंटीरियर मोस्ट में एक सैक लाइक स्ट्रक्चर प्रेजेंट होता है जिसको हम एक्रोसोम बोलते हैं, एंड दैट एक्रोसोम फिल्ड अप बाय द sperm lysine enzyme. Sperm lysine enzyme, and this sperm lysine enzyme digest the wall of the egg cell during the process of fertilization. फर्टिलाइजेशन प्रोसेस के समय जो एक्रोसोम ऑफ स्पर्म में स्पर्म लाइसिन नाम का एंजाइम है वो एग सेल के वॉल को डिसॉल्व करता है. क्लियर? सो गोल्गी बॉडी आल्सो इन्वॉल्व इन एक्रोसोम ऑफ स्पर्म फॉर्मेशन. नेक्स्ट फंक्शन, गोल्गी बॉडी गवर्न एंड डायरेक्ट द ट्रांसपोर्टेशन ऑफ मटेरियल इनसाइड द सेल, मेनली द मैक्रो मॉलिक्यूल्स. जो मैक्रो मॉलिक्यूल्स है, बड़े साइज के मॉलिक्यूल्स है इन द साइटोप्लाज्म ऑफ सेल, उनके ट्रांसपोर्टेशन को गवर्न करता है, डायरेक्ट करता है गोल्गी बॉडी, एंड दैट्स व्हाई गोल्गी बॉडी इज द डायरेक्टर ऑफ द ट्रांसपोर्टेशन इन द सेल. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट फंक्शन वी सी, गोल्गी बॉडी आल्सो इन्वॉल्व इन फॉर्मेशन ऑफ GERL system. GERL system, Golgi body endoplasmic reticulum lysosome system में भी Golgi body involve होता है. And Golgi body also involve in biosynthesis of membrane. जो बायोलॉजिकल मेम्ब्रेन है जैसे सेल मेम्ब्रेन है, अदर ऑर्गेनेल्स के मेम्ब्रेन है, इनके भी सिंथेसिस में Golgi body इन्वॉल्व होता है. क्लियर? एंड Golgi body helps in absorption of fat in intestinal cells. Intestinal cells में Golgi body fat के absorption में help करता है. Clear? So these are the different functions of Golgi body, and the main function, that is the secretion and packaging of material, packaging of substance, and direct, govern, regulate the transportation of material inside the cytoplasm of the cell. Clear? See, this is the diagram of Golgi body, and the Golgi body show the polarity. Polarity means what? One pole is the maturation phase or trans phase, that is the concave, धसा हुआ होता है, और दूसरा जो रीजन है, दूसरा जो पोल है, that is the convex, and that is we know formative phase or cis phase. Suppose this is the cell, okay, and here is the nucleus. This is the nucleus, and here is the position of Golgi body. See, this is the Golgi body. So this phase, that is the convex phase or formative phase or cis phase toward the nuclear membrane, nucleus, and this concave face toward the plasma membrane or cell membrane. And here on the inner, on the outer nuclear membrane, there is the endoplasmic reticulums, and from endoplasmic reticulum the vesicles produce, and these vesicles suppose filled up with the lipid or protein, and they go to bind to the cisternae of the Golgi body like this. Suppose this is the vesicle and it is filled up with the protein, and they bind to the cisternae, and here its protein parts comes, and they will travel to this cisternae and again travel to this cisternae, and in this phase, in this region, that means in convex region, in formative phase, there is the processing of this protein, and they will processed and they will again transport to this part of the Golgi body, that is the Golgian vacuole. And here this substance undergo the final processing, and this Golgian vacuole pinched off, that means cut off, and will produce the vacuole, and that vacuole is filled up with the hydrolytic inactive enzyme, and that we say the primary lysosome, that is the primary lysosomes. Clear? So in this way, this is the formative phase and this is the maturation phase of the Golgi body. So I request to all of you, please subscribe my channel and like, share and comment the videos.